Scotty, are you looking at adult situations on your phone?
No, I got a text message. My Ballon Bleu Cartier is being signed for today.
Oh.
So I've been waiting on that for a while.
But your Viagra subscription hasn't arrived yet?
No, I've been waiting on that since you ate the last piece.
Damn.
Remember.
Talk about giving me a hard time.
Remember, kids. Snort.
The competition is stiff around here.
Let me put on my waist size because it's getting thick. So we have.
Wood?
No, actually, I prefer a little bit of metal.
Ooh. Look at that.
We have our factory bent lines
Proper.
for the transmission on 66.
Patrick 66.
Blue.
Bluebird.
Ready to go.
Yellow bird.
Look at
That would
that.
be a red bird.
You are Redbird.
These are really, I mean, they did.
These are beautiful.
Yeah, this is nice. This place is out of Lancaster, New York.
Yep, classic tube.
Yep, and I used to live in Buffalo.
The kids are
Don't lose up.
doing stuff.
Parts.
No, grab it right now.
Thank you.
Anywho.
So we'll get this taken care of, put these in the car, and ditch the box. So Patrick, I promise you, we're taking care of your
Hardware.
Hard tubes.
hardware.
Oh my god.